Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. It's Bigg Vic TV. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
Alright, y'all, so we about to knock out another meeting, another consultation meeting, 15-minute meeting. Y'all see the schedule. Knocking out these meetings, y'all. We getting it. We working. We're working. What is good, family? We are up on a postal truck order today. It's Tuesday. Daytime postal route. 2 stops. I'm running late because I didn't put 2 hour stem time on my postal truck order. I had it for 1 hour. And when I got this load, I was doing something else and looked at this load, and guess what? It said you got 1 hour and 38 minutes before your trip starts. We late. But still get paid tomorrow for it. It's all good. I may take a little teeny ding for it, but if it's daytime, I don't mind knocking it out. So I'm about to run in here, start loading this truck up, and I see y'all. We're getting $5 a mile for this one. I gotta go to part of North Carolina. It's 160 miles, part of North Carolina, and Johnston City, Tennessee. So we are all loaded up, guys. We about to get on this route. Get this day over with. Real quick. As fast as I can, anyway. I'll get this day done.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all.
Last drop, Johnston, Tennessee. Johnson City, Tennessee. It's the last drop. Got 2 pallets. I'm gonna knock this out. We back in the wind, y'all. See y'all in a sec. What is up, y'all? So we back out here. I'm pulling up in ATL right now. About to roll up in MG8, Atlanta. Knocking out this quick Amazon run. Y'all know what it is. We in and out like a robbery real quick like. Caught this one on the load board. Last minute. Had like 20 minutes to get there. This one gonna be too easy. My badge is already good to go. So I'm gonna scan in, pull these 5 pallets off the truck, get back. I'm gonna catch Appleton, Georgia. So I'm coming back through Augusta, so I get to slide back through Appleton, Georgia at a perfect time. I'm gonna go over there, see what hit the load board, and hopefully we can make this $1,000 night/morning. We ain't playing no games with Amazon right now. They throwing it out there, and I'm putting it in the bank. Let's get it. Bigg Vic TV, let's go. And this is all I got, guys. Actually, it's 4. 4 quick light pallets from CAE1 out here to MG8 Atlanta. 700 real quick. So y'all know I'm just getting back from MGE8 out there in Atlanta. I had to come back through Augusta. So of course I gotta hit Appleton, Georgia first. So it just makes sense for me to chill here for at least about an hour. Let everybody load up their trucks and see if anything fall off the branch that I can pick up. You already know how we do. I'm out here, so I may as well stop. It just makes too much sense. So let's stop right now. Take a little, take a chill pill. I'm gonna watch this board for about an hour, and if nothing don't pop up, I'll probably just go ahead and peel out. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it though. Well, we just picked up that second load. $1,000 night, y'all. $1,000 morning, whatever you want to call it. $1,000 morning, day morning. About to go get this brizzy. Let's go. As y'all can see, there's nothing wrong with swing doors. You can do swing doors. Let's go, let's get it. AGS5, y'all. We in and out like a robbery, baby. In and out like a robbery. Let's go, let's get it. Bigg Vic TV.